It's problem of the week 16 for Common Core Math 1. We're looking at two functions that represent people saving money, and we want to know when each of these functions, at what week, that's the x, will they have the same exact amount. So we're allowed to use our calculators for this problem, so that's what I would make sure that I did. The first thing that I would do is type in Jim's equation. So y equals, or f of x equals 10x plus 5. Now I want to look at the table and get the information here. So at week 0, he's got $5. We don't really care about that. But after week 1, he'd have $15. Week 2, $25. Week 3, $35. Week 4, $45. Week 5, $55. And we can start to see a pattern here. So if we need to extend this, we could do that pretty easily. Now I'm going to type in Anthony's equation, which is g of x. That simply means y. So y equals 7.5x plus 25. Go to the table. After 1 week, he's got 32.50. After 2 weeks, he has 40. After 3 weeks, he has 47.50. After 4 weeks, he would have 55. After 5 weeks, he would have 62.50. So notice they're still not matched up, so we need to keep going. Okay. So week 6, this would be 65. This would be 70. Okay, it still doesn't match, so we need to keep going. So then week 7, I'll just extend my table here. Week 7, for Jim, week 7 for Jim would be 75, and for Anthony, he'd be at 77.50. So notice here, this is where the switch takes place. Up to this point, the amount of money has been more on the bottom the whole time, and now right after this, the switch is going to take place where in week 8, this is 85 for him and also 85 for Anthony. You can see how they're getting closer and closer. So right after this week, the switch takes place. They have the same amount, so it's week 8. And after that, you'll see that this is 95 and his would be 92.50. So that's where he is now making more, and I mean Jim. So week 8 would be your final answer.